This is an upflow furnace. The blower will be below the heat exchanger. So if you have this type of furnace, you'll be able to see your capacitor right here. This is a run capacitor. These often fail and then the blower will not work when you put it on cool or heat. This is a downflow furnace. So behind this panel would be your blower on this type of furnace. So you would have to remove that panel to get to this run capacitor for this type of motor. Before you attempt to check a capacitor, you want to make sure you kill this power switch or turn the breaker off, and then allow this furnace to set for about 5 minutes. And of course, if you don't feel comfortable checking these yourself, call a professional out to do it for you. All right, once you remove this capacitor and you want to test it to see if this is why your blower's not working, you want to make sure that you see this microfarad rating, which is 7.5 plus or minus 5%, 370 volts AC. So that would be your information if you want to replace this. But what you'll do is you'll take a meter, put it on the microfarad setting, which is MFD on this one, and then you're just going to test across these two terminals here. We're getting 7.6, so this is a good capacitor. So if your blower's not working, you would have other issues. But that's how you test the capacitor.